Alright, TikTok.
The AI robots keep rejecting my job applications. I keep spending 10 hours a day applying for jobs, and the AI robots are just automatically rejecting my applications at this point in time. It's getting to the point of me going completely insane and crying every single day.
I cry a lot. I cry a lot when I wake up. There's tears coming down my face that there is robots instantly rejecting my applications. Instantly. I'm so bored I'm gonna start making dinosaur sounds. Roar! I'm a dinosaur. Roar! Unemployed dinosaur in the park. Roar! TikTok! Roar! 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 Are you nervous, TikTok? Or you share the video? Share the video to all your friends that maybe care or not. That I'm unemployed forever. That's how it goes.